Ready? Oh god. Ow. It only made one pop. Alright, now go over here. I should at least. Alright, come on. Here we go. Alright. Okay. Oh goodness. Don't get crooked. One, two, three. Ooh. That burnt. I like it. Hold on now. Let's get measurements for the top. I'm doing this one now. Alright, now put these in the bottoms if it's still open. I think the bottoms are still open. Yeah. Alright, and then this. Cool, I just pierced my ears. Hey, and it matches my shirt. Alright, stop the video now. How do I do that? I don't know. Oh, right here.